Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that the universe was created in two stages. The first stage is a stage of the pre-universe when there was nothing in the pre-universe, and the basic elements were created. And the second stage, that is also called Big Bang stage, is when all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Now I will return to the first stage of the creation of the universe, and I will explain what is nothing. Nothing is actually quantum fluctuations, and quantum fluctuations is a change or changes in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from that changes of energy, virtual particles can be created, and from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from that real particles, basic elements were created. So that was the first stage in the creation of the universe. The second stage in the creation of the universe, that is also called the Big Bang stage, in that pre-universe, actually all the matter in the pre-universe was concentrated in a small dense point, and the density of that point was infinite, and for that reason it exploded, and it is actually the Big Bang, and all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Okay, so that is how the universe was created. And the answer to the second question, who created nothing, the answer is very simple. Nothing, that is also defined as quantum fluctuations, was never created because it always existed. So I can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage there was nothing, and nothing is actually defined as quantum fluctuations, and in that stage the basic elements were created. And in the second stage of the universe, that is also called the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Okay, and so that is how the universe was created. And in relation to the question who created nothing, The answer is that nothing was never created. Nothing is also defined as a quantum fluctuations. Nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay? Thank you very much.